This is a short PowerPoint dealing with a minor problem in positioning text areas, or for that matter any other control, within the frame. It's a continuation of this series where this is the goal. The first PowerPoint is in this series and is actually part of these three related files, this being the Java example and this being the corresponding text, if you will, the section of the textbook page if I was making a whole textbook. So in addition to this file, you'll want to look at the example and the textbook part. Again, these are relatively short. We learned in the previous PowerPoint that when we do this, we will position this control over here with this number over here, giving the distance in pixels between the top of the containing window and the top of what we're putting. And that was in this PowerPoint and related files. Now assume that this control has this height and this width. If we use this statement here, we would expect this to be where? If you're an actual student looking at this, where would you expect this to be positioned, given that this is the height of this and this is the height of the containing window? Yes, it should be down here, one would expect. Well, I ran it, and I put a red border on the entire text area, and as you can see, it's not ending up where it should be. If I scroll this down, the whole thing is there, it just wasn't positioned properly. Now, the problem turned out to be the stuff that normally is over here. And if I add this statement that says, don't put the normal Windows thing over here, everything works hunky-dory. Now, I would like to be able to do this when there, in fact, is the normal top name where the user can click the X and so forth.